Hello and welcome. I've got here a used Morello Palace for you to see. This is a van from Motorhome, a luxury motorhome, a liner from 2016. This thing will cost around 206,000 euros. It has got nearly 70,000 kilometers on the clock. As you come in, you've got a place to put your shoes. One place up there as well. Now, it does look a bit different from what motorhomes which are built today look like from Morello. It's got a very large skylight there. It's got a color scheme inside, which I don't think they use anymore, but what they do still have is this flat floor all the way to the back. You've got this very large bed here. Unfortunately, there are two mattresses and it's angled at the sides, making it easier to get round. Although some of the newer ones these days, they take up the entire length of the vehicle. You've got at the back wardrobes, storage above the bed. One thing you might need to do is to put in a few more USBs and potentially 230, because then they didn't put in as many as they do today. There we have a television, more storage below the television, and on the other side we have storage also. This feature here of the dressing room is outstanding. It is enormous. A very large dressing room with doors at both ends which will close. Now, it's just as well that there are doors here which will close. Here we go. You can see that's coming out. And there is a bed up front, and that bed could be having somebody in there. So you mightn't want to well, you get what I mean anyway. Here we have a wardrobe, and here a fridge, a freezer, and a convection oven. Enormous space here for the kitchen. Storage, as I mentioned, all the way around. It's on an Iveco daily. You've got this table with which doesn't expand, that's it, but these lounge settees which are more or less face to face, as they say in German. Under there, storage as well. Let's come out, and you can see that there are storage cabinets all the way around the outside. That garage there will take 250 kilos, and that is a quick overview which I did in under 3 minutes.